Hey YouTubers, this is July McLean. I want to show my history of my family's automobiles. So, first up, my dad's first car is a Toyota Corolla, 1984 in New Jersey. He got into a crash accident today, sorry. And he drove out of a 1988 Toyota Corolla in the 80s, 1988. So, he crashed really hardly 2 times. And mom's driving her Honda Civic back in the 70s. It was the manual transmission, and it has a digital clock in it, radio, and so much more. Also, my grandmother Gloria drives the 1980s Honda Accord in New Jersey. It was silver with blue interior. It has high mileage on it. So, Dad drove an 86 Camry in West Palm Beach, Florida, just like he used growing up in 31 years in advance in Royal Palm Beach. So anyway, Mom drives the 4Runner, the Horizon, and the F-350 Ford truck. Like I was saying, Mom drove a 94 Corolla since I was born in Brooklyn, New York. It was blue with blue interior. It has the AM/FM stereo with cassette in it. It was back in the 94 or 98 that crashed the Corolla and we got the 95 Camry. It was beige with beige interior. And it has a check engine light. Dad drove a Camry to Florida and drove the wrong way side and crashed the Infiniti G20, 99 to 02. So, Grandma Gloria drives a 1991 Toyota Corolla DX with the high mileage that Dad drives, Uncle Michael drives, Cousin Kirk drive in the accident of Forest Hill Boulevard and I-95 in West Palm Beach. It was torn apart and crashes into a crumple zone safety cage. That wasn't very good at all. So, anywho, Mom looked at the 01 Avalon. Dad test drive the 03 Highlander Green. And we got the 02 Mazda 626 with the high mileage. Since September 15, I drove to Gun Club, Summit Pines, even the Palm Beach Toyota. We got it into a crash-proof signal. And so, we didn't get this memo feeling about this controversy in viewer description. So anywho's, my sister drove a Chevy pickup back then. It was the 90s truck. My sister got the black 03 Nissan Altima with black interior. It's a 3.5 SE model. Auntie Michelle drives the 1993 Mazda Protege. It was a teal exterior with AM/FM stereo with cassette on it. Auntie Michelle drove the black Passat GMC Envoy, the white VW Passat, and now she drives the Jetta GLI. It's a red model. My uncle drives the old Toyota truck. So, he test drive and drive fast with the 5-speed manual transmission. At Beach Cars, Uncle Michael Robinson drives the Ford F-150, the white one, and the step-size silver F-150. So, my Aunt Noreen drives the Honda Accord LX with Miss Margaret drives by to West Palm Beach every day. So anyways, my father drives this red hot 2016 Toyota Corolla S Plus with Barcelona red metallic. It got 49,000 or 50,000 miles on the odometer, and now Mom drives the 2014 Ford Escape since November 24th, 2014. It has 71,000 miles on the odometer, so we're gonna get Mom's car to maintain quickly. So, in addition to the conclusion, my sister drives this Toyota Camry. It was the 2016. It was the mid-2010s Camry. And now she drives this 2018 Camry SE in Georgia. So she was very fast to going back to Orlando in January 29th, 2021. Grandfather Blackwood drove this BMW 7 Series in Canada. My Nana Cheryl drives the Mazda 626 in Royal Palm Beach, Florida, and now she drives the Mazda 3 in Canada. It was very considering to be a Mazda dealer. So right now, my grandma drives this 03 Corolla CE with 80,000 miles more. 80,000 miles on the odometer is very more to the concerned history. My great-grand drives the Yaris back then, and she drove it to Boca Raton with Miss Delver, Miss D, or Miss D. We make a conclusion of this car reviews in the past years. So, Grandma Kerr drives the 07 Saturn Vue. Grandpa Kerr drives the 09 Saturn Aura XR. So, Grandpa Bill Kerr drives this Rolls Royce. It was the 89 model in Georgia. Auntie and Uncle drives this 2000 Altima SE, the blue 04 Escape, and the 08 Suzuki XL7. All new in New York City. So, back in the long years, Uncle Roger drove this Datsun 200SX, the Toyota Celica, Honda Accord, Audi A4, and now he drives this Acura TSX. Even though Aunt Tracy drives this Honda CRV 2011, a black model. Everyone drives it so quickly. It was so good in the future's history. It was a long, dull days in the past. So, Miss Luna drives the Highlander, my neighbor, and now she drives the Cadillac. Crystal, my neighbor, drives the BMW, and now she's getting the Jeep Grand Cherokee. So, otherwise, all my friends' parents drove the old domestic cars and the import vehicles in the past and the present times. So like anyways, come down and see all those car pastas and make sure you keep the videos uploaded as well. But don't deny it everything. Peace.